The things I like and the things I don't like. Hello everyone, how are you? Today I want to tell you a bit more about myself, the things I like and the things I don't like. I think sharing this is also a great way to practice English because it helps us use many verbs, uh, adjectives, and everyday expressions. Uh, One of the things I enjoy the most is reading. Reading takes me to other worlds, helps me imagine, learn, and relax. It doesn't matter if it's a long novel or a short story. I love that moment when I disconnect from everything and uh, dive into the story. I also really enjoy watching movies, especially when they are interesting or make me think. Sometimes I enjoy a good comedy, other times uh, drama, or even an adventure film. I like that peaceful moment in front of the screen with a warm drink uh, or a snack. Another thing I love is talking with friends. I enjoy chatting, laughing, sharing ideas, telling stories. For me, a good conversation is one of the most beautiful things in life. And of course, I like going to the countryside, or if it's possible, to a forest. I love nature, the fresh air, the sound of trees, the calms, the calmness. Being close to nature makes me feel free and at peace. But there are also things I don't like. One of them is feeling like there's never enough time. I have many hobbies, many ideas, and a lot of things I like to do, but sometimes I feel like time is just too short. The days go by too fast, and the years too. It's frustrating sometimes not being able to dedicate enough time to everything I enjoy. I don't like that feeling of always rushing or having to postpone the important things. Uh, in short, I love the simple things: reading, watching, movies, talking, being in nature. And what I don't like is not having enough time to enjoy them all the way I'd like to. Thanks for watching this video. And what about you? What do you like and what don't you like? Tell me in the comments. See you very soon.